Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Zoho CRM desktop agent, complete guide step by step clearly. To uninstall the Zoho CRM desktop agent, begin by closing the application. Ensure that the Zoho CRM desktop agent is not running in the background. Locate the system tray in the bottom right corner of your screen. Right-click the Zoho CRM icon in the system tray to exit the application. Next, open the control panel on your computer. In the control panel, select Programs or Programs and Features. Look for the list of installed programs. Find a Zoho CRM desktop agent in the list. Click on it to highlight the program. At the top of the window, click the Uninstall button. Follow the on-screen prompts to proceed with the uninstallation. The process may take a few moments to complete. Once finished, you will receive a confirmation that the application has been uninstalled. To ensure all components are removed, check the installation directory in File Explorer. Navigate to C:\program files or C:\program files, x86, depending on your system architecture. Look for any Zoho CRM folders and delete them if they exist. Finally, restart your computer to complete the uninstallation process. Your Zoho CRM desktop agent has now been successfully uninstalled. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.